The furnace installer should have put in a switch to cut the power to the unit, and you need to do that, turn that off before you start servicing it. So on this particular one, there are just 3 screws here that we're going to loosen up and remove this top cover here. The bottom cover here is the high voltage side, and as long as the LED is solid red, we do not need to look at anything down below there, so you do not even need to remove that bottom cover. One thing I've noticed in the past with these Goodman furnaces is on initial startup in the beginning of the season, there's an occasion where you will have no power to it because it happens to blow this fuse right here. Hopefully my camera will start focusing here. And what it is nothing more than a ATC 3 amp fuse. It's an automotive fuse. You can get it at most automotive stores, and they're pretty inexpensive. And I had a Goodman furnace previous to this that it was like every other season I had to replace that fuse. Okay, what I'm going to focus here on today is I don't believe the flame sensor is working. So what it is this little device right here. I'm going to take it off and clean it with a little piece of steel wool. I do have the power off to this, and I'm going to put it back together and see if that does it. It's a fairly inexpensive part, and if you take your model number and search for parts on there, you usually can purchase it online very inexpensively. Okay, I tried to avoid touching the sensor itself with my hand to keep any oils from my skin getting on there. There also happens to be a part number on the back here, and I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this, and then we'll test it out. Well, I have it tightened up. I'll go ahead and put the electrical connection back on, and we'll put the covers back on, turn the power back on to the furnace, and see if that fixed it. Okay, that cleaning of the sensor didn't work, so I went and purchased a new sensor here, a flame sensor, and I'm going to install it. I'll go ahead and turn the power off here and put that in.